Well, the CR is finally back. Went and picked her up today. Same one I used to have. It's been about 4 years, almost. And fucking still looks the same as the day that I got rid of it. I've been looking for it, so just wanted to get it back. It was one of those things that first one I built, and it was time. I found it. Owner was fucking awesome. He let me ride a couple of his bikes. He had this, and pretty much said he just had it sitting in his collection. Fucking, he had right around 14 hours when I got rid of it, and 16. It's at 26 now. So really, she didn't get ridden much. Pretty much everything is the same, which is amazing to me. But took her out for a rip, and she goes great. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys that I got her. Trying to get her to stand up. There we go. Yeah, everything seems fine. We got the old counter shaft seal that is leaking, but other than that, that should be the only work I gotta do to her. And then she's fucking ready to go. Alright guys, stay tuned. Got the 01 CR back in.